What's up, guys? So these acrylic keychain, ornament, whatever, are so popular right now, and they're so much fun to make. They're so easy. So this is a great beginner's project if you've just got your Cricut and you're just starting out, and you want to just dip your feet in making something really cool using vinyl. So let's get started, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do this. So the first thing we're going to do is grab my template file over at my blog, which I will link in the description down below. And what you get inside the template file are these acrylic water brush marks that I put together for you, and they're all kind of different, so depending on what shape you have for your acrylic keychain slash ornament, these are all ready for you to go. Okay, so when you load it in, they all come out black just because that's just how the base is, but you can go ahead and customize the colors. So for example, immediately I'm probably going to start changing some of these to some nice pastel colors because I love pastel colors. So let's do that real quick. And then so now what we're going to do is we're going to grab our shape tool, which is over here, and you're going to make the shape of whatever your blank is. So for example, I have a hexagon, so I'm going to go with the hexagon. And I also have a circle, so I'm going to make a circle as well in a minute. But for here, I'm going to adjust the size of my template. And this is just measured based on the one that I bought. Okay, so the one I have is 3.5 inches wide. Actually, it's 3.5 inches tall and 3 inches wide. So go ahead and measure that. So if you are using, these are the bigger ones that I'm using for ornaments, but if you have the smaller ones for the keychain charms, just go ahead and measure what you've got there, and you can adjust the sizing there to make sure that it will fit. Now, once we have our template, we can just grab any of these brush strokes. I'm going to grab this pink one here. I like that one. I'm going to drag that on top so we can see it. And you're going to resize this. Okay, I've already done that. But you're going to resize this to fit on your template. That looks good there. And next we're going to grab the text tool, and I'm going to add my name. So the font that I'm using is called Autumn and November. I love this script font, and I think it's perfect for this project. So I'm going to do that. And as always, we need to adjust the letter spacing here because Cricut Design Space always leaves a massive gap in between letters. So we are going to make that -0.6, which is great for the spacing in between the letters. I am going to weld that together so it doesn't cut out each letter individually because we want to cut it as one name. And you'll see that here. And then I'm going to resize this. I'm probably going to make this white because white looks great on acrylic. Awesome. I'm going to size that to however I like it. Cool. So with everything else, you can hide everything else that you aren't using. So because I'm doing this, I'm just going to hide all this stuff. And when we go to make it, there's one final thing that we need to do. So it's going to cut out white on one layer. That's the hexagon, which we don't actually need. And then there's the back layer here. Let me just disappear this. So let's hide our template so it doesn't actually cut that out because we don't want anything cut out for that shape. So I'm going to hit make it. And on this layer here, what I'm going to do is mirror it, okay? And the reason why I'm doing that is because this is going to go on the back of my acrylic blank, where this is going on the top, okay? And that's it. So let's go ahead and cut it out, and I will show you quickly how to put it on the acrylic blank. All right, guys, so we've got our blanks. This is my acrylic ornament here. You can see it's a hexagon. I just wanted to show you real quick, I also put together this ornament. This is a circle. And I will include this file as well on my blog. So if you want to make that at home, you can also make that one. Alright, so we've cut out, this is our brush stroke, and then I've got the name here. So I'm just going to weed everything real quick. Awesome. And now I'm just going to apply some transfer tape. And there we go. Look how nice that looks. Doesn't that look awesome? And that's it, guys. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye!